Shit, I bet they can't get higher than me.
Hey,
Hello?
holy moly, jeez, Louise.
Get to my lugin, eh?
ApeShit and Malarkey, chillin' in the dark, about to spark these trees.
Breathe through the trees, forest.
What did they do?
I'll tell you. Under sleeping slumber while breathing, I wonder how many dreams, how anything seems real in this particular moment. Every moment I own it, I can even invent and forget. I can shoot the shit, but the shit shoots back atonement. So when the psychological manufactured unit systems break down, I'm bound to bathe and rest in hopes I come back around.
But for now, what a wild ride. Far cry to prevail was a tall tale, that's lie. In front of my mind it passed, lay on pillows of grass, colored cotton pajamas, close my eyes and dance. Set the shaman hella loud, upside down, half empty smile, when the lifted eyebrow. An astrometaphysics couldn't resist the holy cow. Meow, what's your problem? Holy moly, it's my problem. Jeez Louise, it's my problem. ApeShit and Malarkey will not stop it. Because I'm hella poor, like Skeletor. No pockets, eye sockets, and I'm ripped to the core. Trying to settle the score, but it's a tie and I soar. Fly like dinosaurs over Jurassic metaphors. Crash Ford Explorers. Took the Uber through the drive-thru to get a number 2 in an albacore in the pompadour. Ask me what I'm here for. So I sleep and snore. Z. About G, what God will do. Dear God, make me a bud, make me a crystally bud so I can fly high every day. And if you too scared to do it, ooh it. Ooh the 1%, ooh the Illuminats, ooh the clone ass robots, and ooh you too if you don't like it. Yeah, ooh you. No, I'm just doing around. Hello. Shit, I bet they can't get higher than me.
Hey,
Hello?
holy moly, jeez.
Alright, you know how you laugh out loud and ooh talk? It's kind of hard, it's difficult. Let's see if I can do it.
It's like